Hey, hello, how are you today? Are you good? Or aren't you good? Or so? Are you hungry? Are you sleepy? Okay, listen, hello again, this is today's class, and well, I don't remember if I told you yesterday, no me acuerdo si les dije ayer, but with yesterday class, we finished Unit 7, con la clase de ayer se acabó la unidad 7, 7. So in today's class we're going to start with Unit 8. Yes, Unit 8. That is my home. My home. Yes, my home, my house. My place, and it's mi hogar, mi casa. Yes, my home. And well, for today's class, para la clase de hoy, we have 3 activities. 1, 2, 3. We have, okay, we're gonna go in one moment. We have activity 1. Activity 1, we need our cover page. Cover page. That is, cover page is a page that we use to separate the units. Es lo que usamos para separar las unidades. So it is portada, yes? Cover page. And the cover page should be a drawing. You have to draw, you have to color, and it has to be related to the unit home. Tenemos que hacer un dibujito en nuestra portada que vaya relacionado con el tema de la unidad, que es mi casa, my home. You can draw your house, pueden dibujar su casa. You can draw the house that you want in the future, la casa que les gustaría tener en el futuro. Or maybe a house on the beach, una casa en la playa. I don't know. You can invent, yes. You can invent your own house if you want. Pueden inventar su propia casa también. Okay, so that will be activity number 1. Activity number 1 will be cover page. Hacer nuestra cover page. Hacer nuestra portada. Once that you finished, una vez que ya terminemos esto, we're going to use a student book. Yes. Well, that is activity 1, yes, cover page. That is the cover page. And then we have the student book. We're gonna use a student book page, let me check, 6. Yes, we're going to use a student book page 66, well, 66 and 67. Yes. Today we are not using the workbook. Today we don't use the workbook. En la clase de hoy no se va a utilizar el workbook. So we're going to use the student book. Yes. We have here our student book, Unit 8, my home. So we have here Unit 8, my home. And activity number 2. Yes, you have it here. Activity number 2, it's conversation. It's the conversation. We have this little conversation. I'm gonna read it, and then I want you to repeat it. Quiero que la repitan después de mí. And then you are going to repeat it in your own. Después la van a repetir, pero sin sin escuchar mi parte. O sea, quiero que nada más la repitan ustedes. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Tenemos una de 4 partecitas, esta chiquita. So it says here, what are you doing in this part? What are you doing? And it says here, I'm looking for my skateboard. I'm looking for my skateboard. You have it here. I'm looking for my skateboard, sorry. And then you have, where was it yesterday? Yesterday, remember, like the last unit, como la unidad pasada. Yesterday, it's past, pasado. Where was it yesterday? And it says here, it was in my bedroom. It was, in past, it was in my bedroom. Yes. And then we continue. It's not here. It's not here. Sorry. It's not here. It's not here. And then we have, is it in the garden? Is it in the garden? It's a question en forma de pregunta. Is it in the garden? And you have it here. I don't see it. I hope we find it. Me too. Yes. So this is a little conversation. Yes, you have it here. Yes. So I'm gonna read it again. La voy a leer otra vez. Ahora les voy a dejar un pequeño espacio for you to repeat, para que ustedes repitan después de mí. Yes. So it says, Unit 8, my home. Let's talk. A. Listen and say. Yes, we start. Remember, I read and then you repeat. Yo leo y después ustedes repiten. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, and you repeat. What are you doing? And then we have, I'm looking for my skateboard. I'm looking for my skateboard. I'm looking for my, remember, skateboard. No es skateboard, skateboard. Yes? Then the next one, el siguiente. Where was it yesterday? Where was it? Where was it yesterday? It was in my bedroom. It was in my bedroom. Next one, siguiente. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. And then, is it in the garage? Is it in the garage? Again, is it in the garage? Next one, siguiente. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. I hope we find it. Yes, I hope we find it. I hope we find it. And then the other girl says, me too, me too, me too. Yes? So that will be the activity number 2, which is the conversation part. Yes? And then we have page. Oh, yes. So that is activity number 2. Conversation. Yes? We have the cover page and the conversation. And we have the activity number 3. It's practice the vocabulary. Practice. Practice. So we have the vocabulary in this part. Yes, practice the vocabulary. We have number 1. You can check in your student book. Mientras yo estoy diciendo todo esto, ustedes pueden ir viendo su student book. It says number 1 is bedroom. 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 The bedroom. Well, this is my bedroom. Esto es mi cuarto. Bedroom is when you go and you can sleep. Yes, is your bedroom. Nuestro cuarto. Number 2, living room. Living room. Living room. It's the living room is well, most of the times, la mayoría de las veces, is when the family has a TV, o tenemos una tele. We have it is a space for the family. Es un espacio para que estemos toda la familia juntos. Living room is sala. Yes, living room. Number 3, it's bathroom. Well, bathroom. Remember, teacher, may I go to the bathroom? So, bathroom. It's very easy. Number 4, dining room. Dining room. Dining room. The place where all the family go to eat. Donde toda la familia va a comer. Dining room, comedor. Number 5, kitchen is when the people, when las personas, is when the people prepare the food. Es donde preparamos nuestra comida. Yes, kitchen. And number 6 is garage. Garage. Yes, garage. It could be translated as cochera. Yes, cochera or garage. It is okay. So these are the 6 words. Estas serían las 6 palabras that we are going to practice. You can ask your mom, your dad, or someone else. Podemos preguntarle a alguien de nuestra familia o a alguien más que si nos pueden ayudar. Yes. For example, you cover your book, tapamos nuestro libro, or we close it, o lo cerramos, and we ask them, okay, can you check if I am correct, if I am telling the words correctly? Le preguntamos, ¿me puedes decir si las estoy diciendo correcto? Bathroom, yes, correct, or incorrect, yes. kitchen, dining room, living room, garage, bedroom. Yes, vamos a repasar estas palabras. So that will be the activity number 3. Esa sería la actividad número 3. And we finish with today's class. Y con eso acabaríamos la clase de hoy, ¿sale? So there are three activities. Activity number 1, draw and color your cover page, nuestra portada. Activity number 2, practice the conversation, repeat and practice the conversation. La conversación la repetimos, yes? And activity number 3, practice the vocabulary, kitchen, bedroom, living room, dining room, garage, and bathroom. Yes, 6 words. There are 6 words. Son 6 palabritas, yes? So we practice, we repeat the vocabulary, and that will be all for today's class. Eso sería todo. Sorry. Eso sería todo por la clase de hoy. Yes, it will be all for today's class. We will see. I'll see you the next week. Nos vemos la siguiente semana. Well, that's it. Any question, any comment, cualquier duda, pregunta, bueno, ya saben cómo contactarme. And thank you. We'll see you the next class. Bye, bye, bye.